Entertainment, we just confirmed that Odira is gone. Odira is dead. He don't die. Like just last night here, this guy was seen in a club, happy in South Africa. Just last night. Today is no more.
This life ain't what you see. Hey, Odira. Yes, this life ain't for what is at all. What you see. And from this news today, this so sad. And from this news today, being 24th of November 2025, that Odira, popularly known as Joseph Oronro, is dead. Yes, one with this guy with him. This guy be posted a video just few hours ago that one on South Africa. And I know that this guy is going around. According to the news, and I said that no with the BP, na BP at the high over the that is total lie. Yes, that is total lie. I can't believe such thing. Yes, I can't believe such thing. Not just that na no BP at the high. Onye for na club last night around 12 o'clock on live on Instagram. Or post to a video, name a video, everyone aboyego. Can was in this morning that na this guy aboyeng around. This guy ekwesịrị run ya keta as no go. Ekwesịrị run ya autopsy. Yes, we have autopsy bụ test a na-check ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Yes, test I get take mara if e gburu that person. Yes, ekwesịrị run that test ebe this guy a na-akpọ Odira anọ. It is very hard for me to believe that this guy a na-akpọ Odira is dead. Chai, o wutere m. Ọ bụ ife mwute dịrị anyị nwa bụ ndị Nigeria. Ọ bụ ife mwute dịrị anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo. That na popular Nollywood actor is dead. Ọnwụ gị bụ ife juru m anya ma anya mmiri. Yes, your death is not ordinary. Your death is not ordinary. After he posted a video few hours ago, about 12 hours ago, on Instagram, maybe on South Africa. Yes, for my own advice, ndị nwe Odira, ụmụ nwanne, his siblings, his relations. My own advice is ka know this guy a na-akpọ Odira autopsy. Yes, autopsy bụ test a na-run onye nwụrụ anwụ ka mara ife gburu the person. Yes, because the death of Odira is not ordinary. Yes, the death of Odira, it is not ordinary from my own side of view. Yes, ekwesịrị run this guy ife a na-akpọ autopsy. Autopsy bụ test a na-run ndị nwụrụ anwụ. May your gentle soul rest in peace. It is very hard for me to believe that you are gone. You still remain in our hearts. Rest in peace.